right back, fresh face with a new piercing. Okay, I got my nose pierced. Listen, I'm very just random. Okay, I get random piercings, so deal with it. But I'm here because I got the May Curlkit, and girl, it's heavy. Okay, so and I'm trying to get over a little something. So yeah, bear with the voice, bear with the looking sickly. I know but yes. So reviewing the Curlkit from May. It is heavy. It is full size, honey, full size. Hope y'all can see. It is gorgeous. And it's, oh my god, and it just smells like food. I want to eat it, but you know you can't eat it. So yeah, it is the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair. It's their new line of products. They're full-size products. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products. Yeah, my arm is hurting because this box is heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through them. So first we got the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Curl Repair Leave-In. Locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. And I'm definitely gonna be demoing these products today because y'all see that my hair needs some love. Okay, this is like, how many weeks has been? It's been a few weeks since I've done something to my head. I've been wearing wigs for the past couple weeks. So yeah, so my hair needs some love. It's gonna get a nice little twist out today. So yeah, this is the leave-in. So that's that. Then we have the Essential 7 Treatment Oil, repairing oil for moisture and protection. Yep, I'm struggling to read today. And this is something I may not use ever because it's, I don't know, I just don't use mousse. So this is the QUENCH Foaming Mousse, medium hold for defined styles. This is for people who do like, what's some joints called? It's for people who do like flexi rods, perm rods, things that I don't know. I don't have the time or the patience to be sitting here wrapping my hair around some foreign object. So I just let that slide. And you know, I'm gonna pay somebody to do that to my hair. I'm not finna do that. And then we got the Shine and Hold Control Glue. Smooths and controls, flake-free, alcohol-free. I thought this was so strange. Like when I opened the box up for the first time, I saw glue as a hair product. I was like, what is this? But it's basically like edge control. Because in the directions it says styling tip, apply to edges and smooth the fingertips, small toothbrush or brush. Somebody black wrote that. A toothbrush. I see you, Creme of Nature. Shout out to the black people putting things on labels, because toothbrush, I see you, sis. And last but not least, I'm throwing all types of decorations out of the box. We have the Creme of Nature Moisture Curl Hair Milk, lightweight cream for defined elongated curls. Yes, I'm here for it. All of these products smell so good. Like, yes, I am so ready to put these in my head. But the Moisture Curl Hair Milk, the oil, and the leave-in are the things I'm going to be using today on my hair. I may use the control glue in the morning when I get up, take this twist out. I may try to do something to these edges, but I'm not the type of gal to wear edge control every day. So yeah, no. And of course, the Curlkit always comes with some type of catalog of sorts. I usually do the lock method. I feel like I do the ratchet lock method just because I don't do it in the order that you're supposed to, per se. But of course, I'm using my brush, my pink little brush with the separated teeth or whatever's. And I have the metal alligator clips, because my hair is fierce and she does not like to be controlled by any man. And my water bottle, of course. It's just water in here today. And let's get her done. So usually I go in with my water first, and then I do an oil, and then I do a cream. But yeah, so always pay attention to the directions. It says apply to damp, towel dried, or dry hair. My hair is dry, so that's why I'm using this one.